Welcome to QuickHub. In this video, we'll show you how to add or update your business logo inside QuickHub, helping your brand stand out across all your campaigns and dashboards. Start by opening QuickHub and click your user ID logo in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Business to open your business settings. Next, find your business, in this example, Tony's Pizza, and click the Edit option beside it. In the Edit Business Details window, click Upload Logo. Select an image from your device that you'd like to use as your business logo. Once selected, click Save to upload and apply the logo. If you'd like to make any final adjustments, click Edit again. Then save once more to confirm your changes. Your new business logo will now appear across QuickHub, including your dashboard, campaigns, and reports. And that's it. You've successfully added your business logo in QuickHub. A personalized logo helps your brand look professional, consistent, and recognizable across all platforms. Stay tuned for more QuickHub tutorials to help you customize and grow your business.